Showing you how to make your slime your slime not hard but like not sticky but like not hard, like soft, so you can like play with it like sticky but soft. And the things that you need are a container with the top on the other side. Then you'll need some slime that is hard. This one is really hard. I can't pull it that much. So we're gonna use, and the other material that we is not actually material, it's a liquid. We will need water. So we're gonna put. So the first thing you're just gonna blow this like this.
Ese nene cada rato le cae en el hospital y
There,
todavía se sienta ahí a fumar y la puerta
and then
abierta.
you're gonna add some
Ahí está por la
water
noche
in
que
it.
están ellos. Eso se le
So
llama la
I'm gonna
policía.
put water in it, and I'll be
Ya esté
right
ahí
back.
así para que le quiten el baby. Van a relajar, pero manda a los otros dos con el papá para allá, que fue a Manhattan.
So you could eyeball the water. You don't have to put a lot of water. You could put a little bit, and the water is in there, as you could see. Oh, I spilled some of the water. As you can see, the water's there, as you can see. So yeah, and then after that, just want to roll up your sleeves. You're gonna take out the slime from the water. You're gonna start just like pulling it and start playing with it. You could just add some water onto
Uy, la pobre es nice and hot.
you get to take a bath. Yeah, I'm talking about the night. Like that. And as you can see, it's working a little bit. So you're just gonna keep on adding. So I'm gonna put more water in here. I got more water. As you can see, it's in there. Like that. And then you're just gonna keep. I left it home.
Why?
Not at home, but Carmen's house.
Why?
Because I didn't know where Joanna was going and I didn't want to break it. And just gonna like that. You're gonna mold it and then you're gonna pour the water.
Yo tengo una nueva, la vieja
Make
se
sure
la
you
coge,
pour
ya
a
tiene
lot